Hi guys! So for today's video, we're going to Fremont Park. Dito lang yan sa may Elizabeth. So we have everybody's birthday in our church. So magsasama-sama kami dun sa mismong park. Ayan guys, dyan din mag-share ng word of God sa park. And then giving gifts kasi everybody's birthday. So parang lahat kami is may birthday. So, ayun, magpapalitan lang. And then, may games din na gagawin. So, ayun lang guys. Panoorin nyo hanggang sa end ng video. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next mini vlog. Bye-bye! Smile ka. And the glory forever is yours. Nothing can overcome.
Verse 5, Apostle Paul said, he said, so we being many.
For us, we chose the family, like a family picture, which represents the family. And we are thankful to God that He gave us a great family. And
Rolly.
Rolly na rolly ang ala.
Rolly. Young boy.
Nakakuha silang technique. 8 points.
Beat the 8.
Hello kanina?
Ninong Ray, ayusin mo ha.
Beat the 8.
Miracle.
Miracle.
1-0.
Parahol.
Parabol. Ha?
Sam.
Baka mahanginan na.
Bethlehem.
Ay.
minus 15 seconds pa yun.
Pero.
Ha?
Pero.
Babylon.
Dito si Pastor eh.
Si Keepers. 25. Ay, si Keepers.
Apostol.
Leg.
Boss.
Shoulder carry. Okay. Everyone, 6 months, guys! 6 months, everyone!
Makan lang.